Got a train here. Okay, this could be 277 with a JB Hunt, but I'm not sure that was it because 277 has mostly the DPUs, so and this train has no DPUs. And I don't want to get the symbol wrong. So if you know the Norfolk Southern train symbol and the Norfolk, so this train's got to be either 271 or 273. So if you know the Norfolk Southern train symbol and the Norfolk Southern train destination for the intermodal train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.